welcome back to One channel. So today we're going to be making Dinengdeng. You might be wondering why I came back from the shower. It's because earlier I went to my swimming lesson. So as I said, today we're going to be making
Dinengdeng.
So
Using what?
using squash,
Squash.
something,
Malunggay.
malunggay.
Look at the malunggay.
We got
The leaves and the fruit.
yep. How about
So we're using what? This is our sahog. This is pork belly.
pork belly?
Slice.
Yep. We got
Squash.
okra.
Okra.
Yeah, squash. We got
Squash.
something.
It's malunggay too. It's the fruit malunggay. We got it from our
Vegetable malunggay and fruit malunggay.
yeah. That's a lot of malunggay.
And yes, and now the most important thing, garlic.
Yeah, it's just a garlic
It tastes
and
good.
then patis.
Garlic would taste good, but it gives you stinky breath.
That's why you have to cook it so the smell goes well. Okay? Alright, let's cook the meat first. Pork and the what?
Did you wait on it?
First, we're going to cook the meat.
Do I remove the seeds in the okra?
Oh, that is not okra.
What is this? Oh, out of the malunggay. Will you take out the seeds of that malunggay?
There you go. We're going to eat it. This is how you clean this thing. Go. Put the hard part. And you this one.
There's literally a lot of white parts.
It's okay, just peel.
Yeah. Yeah, it goes like this a song called Save Your Tears. Oh, it's made by Ariana Grande and The Weeknd. For sure, some of you guys know them. But the original Save Your Tears, it's only made by The Weeknd.
Because this is young, you can still eat the skin.
Dad?
Yeah.
Do you find a pillow that's easy for me?
I know. Is it hard for you?
Yeah, that pillow is hard for me.
Come here. Now it's time to put the garlic. 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 Next. Put this. Turn the bottom. You're gonna put the paste so it doesn't get smell. Yeah? Remember?
That's hot.
1 minute. For 1 minute. For 1 minute.
The other Dinengdeng that I have, it didn't taste that good.
Malunggay. Malunggay is the one that goes first because it's hard, kind of hard to cook because of the skin, right?
And how about this?
Malunggay. Next is your kalabasa.
Where's my kalabasa? This my kalabasa. They're seeds. So basically the Malunggay.
Kalabasa. Mommy will love this, huh? This one, the okra. And the okra. Butter. What are you doing? It's almost cooked. Be careful the malunggay. Oh. Happy with the malunggay. Slowly. Then, so when you cook these, it's always the end of the cooking. Remember? It's not always the end of the cooking. And all the gulays, vegetables are all cooked. Then you can add the malunggay leaves. Remember that, okay? Because if you're going to put the leaves first, you'll get overcooked, right?
And you don't want your leaves to get overcooked.
Yes. So probably just need 3 more minutes and we'll be done. We're done with our cooking. Over for 3 minutes. Done. Butter, guys.
Oh, butter.
We have vegetables all over the place. We have ampalaya in there, the corner with the dragon fruit. That's a lemon. This is a lemon. This is pomegranate. It's pomegranate.
How about this?
Of apple. It has some fruit, but still small.
We got okra.
And this is our okra. This is our dragon fruit. You see that? Oh, there's more there.
What's this?
This is our papaya. This is our cherry moya. This is our another dragon fruit, but this is the pink one. Tomato, bell pepper, calabasa, squash,
Strawberry.
strawberry. We have taro.
Taro.
Behind taro is the ampalaya. And this mommy succulent plants.
Oh, and
We
just
have onions.
so just to let you know, right there, there used to be vines of blackberry.
We have saluyot. Oh, look. You got saluyot. Oh,
And this is the bell pepper.
no, that's pepper, not a bell pepper. We use that for sinigang.
This.
We have our sitaw.
What's this?
And then we are behind sitaw is the alugbati.
What's this?
That's your pechay.
What's this?
And papaya.
What's
Huh?
this?
That's Mexican squash.
Feels weird.
I know, we harvested one already.
What's
This is our, what's this? Malunggay.
Is this lettuce?
Our malunggay. That's green colored. We use that for fish when daddy cook fish.
Oh,
And there's the cucumber.
just to let you know, we forgot about
Oh,
the calamansi.
this is our what do you call this kind of orange, Adi? The red ones.
Guys,
This is orange.
I'm not sure if I already said this,
Mm.
but did I already say that tree? The calamansi tree?
Oh yeah, that's our calamansi. See? It's calamansi. That's flower. The guava tree. What's your guava tree?
We got
There's guava tree.
tomatoes.
Oh yeah, guava.
Oh, and this is mini tomatoes.
Cherry. Cherry tomato. Cherry tomato. This one too is a cherry tomato.
Look at these.
The hanging tomato.
All of these. What's all of these?
That's our kamote.
Oh.
Kamote.
Oh, and the,
We also have
and the-
one piña there.
And the last and final tree,
Final
we have
tree.
the persimmon tree.
Persimmon. It has a lot of fruits. Come on. Put it up. There's a lot of
There's a lot of persimmon.
persimmon tree.
Persimmon is my favorite.
I know it's crunchy.
One drop.
Tastes like papaya.
One drop.
So that they can see this one. It's a lot of fruit. Ooh. Alright, that's our garden. And a lawn. And this is our planter. With,
Spinach.
it's not spinach, that's kale. It's a kale. That's a kale. And then we also have pechay, bok choy. Okay, now the dinengdeng is cooked. That's our dinengdeng. Malunggay dinengdeng. Cooking in our backyard.
Here.
Take a picture muna. Okay. This is our dinengdeng. Our dinner for tonight.
Huh?
Didn't take a picture, bro? Okay.
Photo. Photoshop. Photoshop.